Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to come to you to do an unboxing. I brought another wig. Yes, I did, even though I know I got these braids. I went and bought me another wig. Actually, I bought the wig way before I did the braids. And this wig is just getting here. I'm not even gonna front. It took probably about a month for it to come. So today's video, I'm gonna try to keep it short. So I don't even know if I could call it a video, but then again, the other ones wasn't that long either. But today's gonna be another little sip and share. But guess what? I done sipped already. But now I'm gonna share. So we're gonna get into the wig that I bought in a little while, but I wanted to tell y'all about this new drink that I actually got from one of my influencers. Her name is Aaliyah's Face. In case you don't know, you might want to check her out on YouTube. So the brand is called HAUS, HAUS. This is one of their cute little bottles, right? So what it is it is an alcohol, but it's made with like all natural ingredients and botanicals and not really much sugar. It's kind of sweetened from the fruits that they use. And I just thought it was super cute. She in one of her last videos that I was watching, she introduced it, to her viewers, and I was like, okay, I gotta check that out because I'm not a hard liquor drinker, so I thought this would be right up my alley. Like this liquor is, I wouldn't even call it liquor, even though it is liquor. The volume of alcohol that's in it is nowhere near the volume of alcohol like in regular alcohol that you would go buy. So, but you do feel it. Don't get me wrong, you will get a little buzz. But if you somebody like Henny and just hard liquor, this is probably not for you. I mean, it could be for you because you can add alcohol to it in addition if you want to take it up a notch. You know what I mean? So, but again, the brand is called House. I thought it was interesting, because she was sipping on a flavor that was called grapefruit jalapeno, and I was like, that's kind of weird for an alcohol flavor, but I wanted to try it. She had a coupon code, so her name is Aaliyah's Face. If y'all want to try it, the coupon code, check her out. Or what I'll do is I will link a coupon code below. If I could go into my account and find one. So again, like I said, it's a company. They've been around for a while. They have, all natural flavors. They use all natural fruits. They use botanicals and different things like that in their ingredients. So it's like just an all natural drink. To me, I'm not a hard liquor drinker. I like wine and beer. Like give me an ice cold Corona with lime all day and I'm good, or some wine and I'm good. I'm not saying I don't ever drink hard liquor, but I'm the type of person where if I go somewhere or I'm drinking hard liquor, I got one drink that I'm nursing all night long. You know what I mean? So this was really right up my alley. So let me show you what the package looks like first, or at least what I bought. So this is what the package looks like. This is a cute little box. And what I did is, because this is not the full size bottle, obviously, you can buy a full size bottle. I want to say the full size bottle was about $35. I could be wrong, but I think it might have been about $35 for the full size bottle. But since it was my first time trying it and I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, another option they have is that you can get the mini bottles like this, and you can choose what flavors you want. Now they have probably, I want to say, about 7 to 8 different flavors. I'm just going to show you the box. So you can actually just choose however many flavors, whatever flavors you want. And this is what it looks like when you get it. Nice to meet you, super cute. And then this is what I got. So again, this obviously was here. So this flavor that I got, this is Rose Rosé. This one here that I have is Lemon Lavender. This one is Grapefruit Jalapeno, which got great reviews, so I really couldn't wait to get that. I want to taste that so bad. And then the other one is Citrus Flower. So this is, again, what it looks like. And again, they have about 7 or 8 different flavors, so you can choose whatever 4 flavors you want. and they'll put it in a box like this, and they will ship it to you. And I think, I want to say I spent probably about, I used a coupon code from Aaliyah's website, from her YouTube page. So I think I probably spent about $45 for the box. Not bad, you know, and it really is good. It also comes with this book inside. So this book I thought was so cute because it just tells you about the founders. It tells you about the different flavors. It tells you how you can mix it up and make different drinks with it. Like it shows you how you can just drink it on the rocks. You can use it as a cocktail. You can use it as a spritz. I actually was using mine. Of course, this is the first bottle I opened and tried. So I was using mine as a spritz where I was mixing mine with seltzer water. I was using 2 parts of the Rose Rosé, 2 parts vodka, and 2 parts, and 1 part, I'm sorry, either Prosecco or seltzer water, and then like a lime wedge, a lemon wedge, whatever you want. But it just, I thought it was so cute because it gives you the just simple, like 2-3 ingredients on how to do it. You know what I'm saying? 2 ounces of house, 2 ounces of ice, 2 ounces of the house, 2 ounces of tonic or soda water. You know, so I thought this was really, really cute. And again, it tells you a little bit about what exactly it is, what the ingredients are, where their vineyard is, and where they get their fruits from. These are the different flavors they have. They have grapefruit jalapeno, they have lemon lavender, they have spiced cherry, they have citrus flower. And I know these flavors sound weird, but I thought it was going to be like, but I had to try it. Rose rosé, ginger yuzu, and bitter clover. So, and I mean, it tells you that, you know, if you want to take it up a notch, you can, you know, it gives you recommendations on what alcohol to mix it with. You know what I mean? To take it up a notch. If you are a hard liquor drinker, or if this, you know, really does nothing for you. Because like I said, to me, drinking this alone on the rocks was probably equivalent to like drinking a glass of wine. But I did put like 2 little shots of vodka in mine, and then I tried it alone as well. So, you know, just something that I thought I would, since somebody introduced it to me and I liked it, I thought that I would introduce it to you guys. So if anybody's interested, I will definitely leave a link to their website down below. I think they also have a referral program where, like, if I refer you, you can get like $10 off your first purchase of $50 or more. So if I could find my code, I will link that down below. And I like that it tells you, you know, the different, depending on what flavor you choose, it tells you what alcohol, if you want to mix it with another hard alcohol, which one it pairs good with. Like, it shows you that the citrus flower is good with tequila or vodka. The grapefruit jalapeno is good with tequila. The rose rosé is good with vodka, which is what I've been doing. The bitter clove is good with whiskey or bourbon. The lemon lavender is good with gin or vodka. The spiced cherry is good with whiskey or bourbon. And the ginger is good with bourbon or rum. So, super cute. I thought that, you know, for this size, to get 4 bottles and you get to choose what flavor you want, for $44, that's not that bad. So I think it's good. It's okay. As y'all can see, I finished before I even got on to do the sip and share. So now we're going to get into what we really came here for. So again, I bought another wig, you know, even though I make them, I haven't made one in a while. I'm actually going to deconstruct some that I do have that I made and just redo them. Actually, the last one I made, I did it and I used a different cap, so it's a little bit too small. I'm probably going to also be do a giveaway for a really nice, like, red bob wig that I have because it's too small for me. And I want to wear it so bad. It's so cute. But I know with this heat, if I put it on and put some adhesive around here, it'll stick. But as hot as it is, and with me sweating, it will definitely start sliding back because it's too small. Now, had it been my size, I could get away with it. But too small, so somewhere in the future, somewhere soon, I'll probably be doing a giveaway for that. So be on the lookout for that. But this wig that I bought now, This was a wig that was recommended. Well, not let me not say recommended. I saw the wig and I fell in love with it, and I saw it on one of my influencers that I follow on YouTube, Miss Paris Danielle. So I know you've got her. You guys heard me mention her before. If you have not checked out her YouTube page and you into wigs, you need to check her out because the girl knows how to do the damn thing. You hear me? When I tell you her shit is always flawless and just so natural looking, it's always flawless and natural looking. So y'all need to check her out. But I seen her and she always puts the links to the wigs that she buys, you know, or that she's, you know, sponsoring. So I purchased it because I trust her. Even though I was a bit skeptical because the last wig I purchased was one that she had not recommended, but she was sponsoring, and I bought it. And when I'm telling you, when I got it, it was basura. You hear me? I don't blame her for it because that's just, you know, it bees like that sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes if you don't have a huge following and you don't have multiple platforms with huge followings that get sponsorships from these hair vendors, you know, they get the good hair, and then the people that, you know, follow them and trust them and go and purchase it on their own, spending their own money, they get the garbage, you know. So I was kind of really like, word, you know. And when it's like, I reached out to them and told them that, expressed how I felt to this vendor. I'm not going to mention who it was. They kind of, all they wanted to do was offer me like a $35 off coupon. So I was like, all right. But again, I trust her. So I kind of ordered this one. So we're going to take a look at this. I'm going to run and get my scissors and I'll be right back.